There comes a moment in life when everything you thought was stable quietly collapses. Not with noise, not with warning, but with a silence that echoes louder than chaos. It might be a failure, a loss, a betrayal, or simply the slow realization that the life you built no longer feels like yours. In that moment, you don't just lose something external, you lose a part of yourself. And the world keeps moving as if nothing happened while inside you. Everything has changed. You may try to hold it together. Smile when it hurts. Pretend you're fine when you're breaking. But deep down, there's a crack one you can't ignore. And the more you try to hide it, the heavier it feels. This is where most people believe the story ends. That broken things are meant to be discarded. That once you fall apart, you can never be whole again. But what if this isn't the end? What if this is where something deeper begins? In Japanese philosophy, there is a concept called Kintsugi, the art of repairing broken pottery using gold. Instead of hiding the cracks, it highlights them. The damage is not disguised. It is illuminated. Because the belief is simple yet profound. What has been broken and rebuilt becomes more beautiful, not less. Think about that for a moment. Your pain, your scars, your struggles, they are not flaws to erase. They are stories, proof that you endured, that you survived. In a world obsessed with perfection, we are taught to hide our brokenness. But Kintsugi teaches the opposite. It tells you that your cracks are not something to be ashamed of, they are where your gold will go. And maybe, just maybe, the parts of you that feel most damaged are the very places where your strength is waiting to shine. Before something can be rebuilt, it must first be acknowledged as broken. And that is the part most people try to skip. We distract ourselves. We numb the pain. We rush to move on without ever truly sitting with what we've lost. But healing doesn't begin with avoidance. It begins with honesty. There is courage in allowing yourself to feel everything. The sadness, the anger, the confusion. To sit in the silence and admit, I am not okay. This is not weakness. This is the foundation of transformation. Just like a shattered bowl must first be gathered piece by piece, you must gently collect the fragments of yourself. Not with judgment, but with compassion. Because the way you treat yourself in your lowest moment will define how you rise. Kintsugi is not just about repair, it is about intention. The gold used to mend the cracks is not rushed. It is applied carefully, patiently, with respect for what was broken. In life, your gold is not something you can always see immediately. It may come in the form of resilience, wisdom, empathy, or a deeper understanding of who you truly are. At first, all you see are the cracks. The mistakes, the regrets. But over time, something shifts. You begin to notice that you are stronger than you were before. That you understand pain in a way that allows you to connect with others more deeply. That you have grown, not despite your suffering, but because of it. The gold was always there. It just needed time to reveal itself. Rebuilding is not a single moment. It is a process. Slow, imperfect, sometimes frustrating. There will be days when you feel like you're making progress and others when it feels like you're back at the beginning. But every small step matters. Every effort to care for yourself, to try again, to keep going, it all becomes part of the new you. You are not meant to become who you were before. That version of you no longer exists. And that's not a tragedy, it's an opportunity. You are creating someone new. Someone who has faced the storm and is still standing. Someone who carries both the memory of the pain and the strength it created. This is not about returning to your old self. This is about becoming someone deeper, wiser, and more real. When a piece of pottery is repaired with Kintsugi, it is never the same as before. It doesn't try to be. Its cracks are visible, shining with gold, telling a story of breakage and healing. And because of that, it becomes one of a kind, more valuable than it ever was in its original state. You are no different. Your imperfections do not make you less worthy. They make you human. They make you real. The world doesn't need another perfect person. It needs someone who has lived, who has felt deeply, who has the courage to show their scars without shame. Because in doing so, you give others permission to do the same. Your story becomes a light for someone else lost in the dark. There will still be hard days. Healing does not mean the pain disappears forever. But it changes. it softens. It becomes something you can carry, rather than something that crushes you. And in that quiet strength, you begin to move forward not as someone who was broken, but as someone who was rebuilt. So when life breaks you again, and it will, remember this, you already know how to rebuild. You have done it before. The cracks are not the end of your story. They are where your strength begins. And just like Kintsugi, every time you rise, you don't just return, you become more. Right now, even if you don't feel it, you are in the process of becoming. Every tear, every struggle, every moment of doubt, it is all shaping you. Not into someone flawless, but into someone authentic. Someone who understands that life is not about avoiding pain, but learning how to transform it. You are not behind. You are not broken beyond repair. You are simply in the middle of your Kintsugi. And one day, you will look back at this moment, not with pain, but with gratitude, because it was here, in the depth of your struggle, that you began to discover your gold.